Hey babies, if you want to see how proud these press on nails, stay tuned for the video.
Finish him. Fatality. Flawless victory.
Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. Shirley Lee back with another video for you, baby. And today we are here with a Shein times Care Bear press on nail video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to press on these Care Bear nails. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. Now I'm going to be opening up the packaging and showing you guys what the packaging looks like. And these nails are so cute. I love how they come with different color Care Bears: blue, pink, orange, yellow, and green. Like, this is so creative. But yeah, these are the nails. So I'm going to be seeing which ones fit each of my nails, and I'm going to apply them with some press on nail glue. And I just uploaded a Shein times Care Bear haul on my channel, and I'm going to probably leave a link down in the description or up here on the screen so you guys can go check out that video. I purchased a lot of items from Shein times Care Bear. They did a little collaboration with Care Bear. So yeah, if you want to go check out that video, I'll leave it in the description or up on the screen somewhere. So yeah, go check that out. Now I'm going to be using my nail file to clean up my real nails and like buff them out. So when I apply the press on nail glue, I say that all the time. Y'all know what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm just filing down my nails. I want to be applying the press on nails to my right hand first because y'all know I am right-handed. So it would be better to do your hand that you write with first, and then, you know, do the other hand last. So yeah. But these nails kind of remind me of I think the first or second press on nail video I ever done. And I think I said Care Bear inspired because they kind of look like Care Bear to me. But that is so funny. They actually went ahead and did a collaboration with Care Bear. Like, that's such a crazy coincidence. But anyway, these nails are so pretty, and I love Care Bear. I used to always watch Care Bear. I always wanted to be the purple Care Bear. But yeah, anyway. But yeah, these nails are so pretty. But yeah, I see y'all Shein with a little collaboration. Don't think I don't see y'all, but I see y'all. Cause these is cute. Now, they could have been a little longer, but they're cute for what they are. They're pretty, you know. They'll do. And Shein ain't slick. I've been, you know, your girl cannot stay off of Shein. I'm starting to think that I probably should stay off of Shein. But I've been looking, and I saw some long ass nails on there. And you already know I'm gonna purchase some, and I'm probably gonna do some videos on those. So yeah. And it's always that one nail they do not want to do right. I swear, this nail just kept falling off, so I had to keep applying glue and pressing it on and holding it down. But y'all let me know down in the comment section how you guys have been doing. I always want to know how you guys are like feeling, or you know, whatever you like feel comfortable with talking about in the comment section. I do reply back to comments. So yeah, let me know how y'all are doing. I pray all is well. And just know that I love you guys. You guys are just so sweet. And like, you guys bring my day up like all the time. Like, when I get down, I always come back and I look at these comments. Like, I love y'all so much. Y'all are just so, I can't even put into words how much I love y'all. But yeah, I love y'all. But y'all, did y'all see that Johnny Depp won his case? Oh my god. Whenever you're watching this, drop like a pirate or something down in the comment section. And y'all, if y'all see some nails or like any other nails that y'all see online or like press-on nails, leave a link to it down in the comment section, and I will even like, you know, try to purchase it for myself and do a review on it. Or y'all can like DM me some video ideas or something. But yeah. But now I'm just pressing all of the press-on nails again, just pressing them down just to make sure that they're secure and that they're on and that I don't have to put any more glue on them. But yeah, these are the nails. They came out so cute, y'all. Like, look how colorful this looks. Like, that is so pretty. But yeah, Care Bears. These Care Bears, like, look at them. They're so cute. Super kawaii. But yeah, these are so cute. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you beautiful babies in my next video. Bye.
Finish him. Fatality. Flawless victory.